Hi, my name is Nataly. I'm from Toronto. We'll be talking about how to pick your grape leaves, we use them for Sarma, vegan or not vegan. So in Toronto, there is a lot of grape leaves. You can find them when you're walking, but when you're picking it, you need to make sure that it's not bigger than your palm. Like if it's like this size, it's like amazing. It's beautiful. Sometimes it will be bigger also. But you don't want it too small. Otherwise, when you roll it, it will come like this size. So when you pick them, you bring them home, obviously, and you put your pot on. It's like blanching pasta, basically. You put water, a good amount of salt, just so the color, it doesn't change. And you blanch them for a few minutes, 1-2 minutes. It depends on the size also, but usually 1 to 2 minutes, it should be more than enough. And then you put them in a cold water. You're basically cooking them, taking the bacteria out of it because you're picking them outside, right? You never know what's viruses we have outside. And then once it's done, 1 to 2 minutes, you taste it. If it's good, good. But 1 to 2 minutes, it's more than enough because it's leaf. It takes nothing. And then you put them in a cold water because you gotta stop that cooking process. You don't want to overcook them, otherwise it will fall apart, it will rip. And once that is done, it's cooled down already. You put them in bags, or if you have backpack machine, you can put them in backpack bags, which takes the air out of it. But hey, our mothers, they didn't have them. Our grandmothers, they didn't have them. I don't have it. You put them in a Zip locker. You put them in the freezer. You can use them all year around. That's how I do it. That's how my mother done it. That's how my grandmother done it. That's what it is. I don't like using the jarred ones because I don't know. I never used to using jarred ones, and I don't think it's fresh and it's healthier. It's sustainable, and why not, instead of the leaves dying, use them for food.
All right.